Hi. If you need to download a lot of photos at once from WhatsApp Web, here is a tutorial for that. When you click on the arrow positioned in the right corner of the images, you can see only the option to delete all images. To get the option to download all images, you need to click on the first photo and use the right arrow on the keyboard to go through all the images, waiting for each picture to load. After loading all images, click on the arrow, and you will get the option to download all. Click on it, and now you can save all images in zip format. After downloading, you need to extract the images.